Hello, friends. Welcome to our Russian language learning course. I'm Nick, and today we will embark on an exciting journey to learn the Russian alphabet. By the end of this video, you'll have mastered all 33 letters of the Russian alphabet. Let's get started. The Russian alphabet consists of 33 letters. Today, we'll start with the first 11.
А, Б, В, Г, Д, Е, Ё, Ж, З, И и краткое.
Each letter has its own unique sound and writing. Let's begin. The first letter is
А,
This is a very simple and important letter. Repeat after me.
А,
Example word
арбуз,
means watermelon in English. Let's say it together.
арбуз.
The next letter is
Б,
Repeat after me.
Б,
Example word
банан,
means banana. Repeat.
банан.
The letter
В,
Repeat after me.
В.
Example word
Велосипед,
means bicycle. Let's say it together.
велосипед.
The letter
Г,
Repeat.
Г,
Example
Гроза,
means mountain. Let's say it together.
гроза.
The letter
Д,
Repeat.
Д.
Example
Дом,
means house. Let's say it together.
дом.
The letter
Е,
Repeat.
Е.
Example
Еда,
means food. Repeat.
еда.
The letter
Ё,
Repeat.
ё.
Example
Ёж,
means hedgehog. Repeat.
ёж.
The letter
Ж,
Repeat.
Ж.
Example
Жук,
means beetle. Repeat.
жук.
The letter
З,
Repeat.
З.
Example
Зонт,
means umbrella. Repeat.
зонт.
The letter
И,
Repeat.
И.
Example
Игрушка,
means toy. Repeat.
игрушка.
The letter
Краткое,
Repeat.
краткое.
Example
Йогурт,
means yogurt. Repeat.
йогурт.
Great. Now let's practice pronouncing these letters and words together. Repeat after me.
А, арбуз. Б, банан. В, велосипед. Г, гроза. Д, дом. Е, еда. Ё, ёж. Ж, жук. З, зонт. И, игрушка. Краткое, йогурт.
Awesome. Let's take a quick break and play a fun game. I'll show you a picture, and you try to guess which letter and word it represents. Ready? Here we go. What is this? Correct. It's a watermelon. And this word
Арбуз.
starts with the letter.
А,
And what is this? Right. It's a banana. And the word
Банан.
starts with the letter.
Б,
What is this? Right. It's a house. And this word's
дом.
the letter.
Д,
What is this? Correct. It's food. And the word yida starts with the letter y.
Е,
And what is this? Right. It's an umbrella. And zont starts with the letter.
З.
What is this? Correct. It's a toy. And igrushka starts with the letter.
И,
Now that we've had some fun, let's continue with the next 11 letters.
К, Л, М, Н, О, П, Р, С, Т, У, Ф.
Each letter has its own unique sound and writing. Let's begin. The first letter is
К,
Repeat after me.
К,
Example word
кот,
means cat in English. Let's say it together.
кот.
The next letter is
Л,
Repeat after me.
Л.
Example word
Лампа,
means lamp. Repeat.
лампа.
The letter
М,
Repeat after me.
М.
Example word
Молоко,
means milk. Let's say it together.
Молоко.
The letter
Не.
repeat.
Не.
Example
Нос.
means nose. Let's say it together.
Нос.
The letter
О.
repeat.
О.
Example
Обезьяна.
means monkey. Repeat.
Обезьяна.
The letter
П.
repeat.
П.
Example
Подарок.
means gift. Repeat.
Подарок.
The letter
Р.
Repeat.
Р.
example
Рыба.
means fish. Repeat.
Рыба.
The letter
С.
repeat.
С.
Example Sabaka means dog. Repeat.
Собака.
The letter
Т.
repeat.
Т.
Example
Торт.
means cake. Repeat.
Торт.
The letter
У.
repeat.
У.
Example
Улица.
means street. Repeat.
Улица.
And finally, the letter F. Repeat. F. Example flock means flag. Repeat. Flock. Great. Now let's practice pronouncing these letters and words together. Repeat after me.
К. Кот. Л. Лампа. М. Молоко. Н. Нос. О. Обезьяна. П. Подарок. Р. Рыба. С. Собака. Т. Торт. У. Улица. Ф. Флаг.
You're doing fantastic. Let's take another short break and have a quick quiz. I'll say a word, and you try to write down the letter it starts with. Ready? What letter does Koat start with? Correct, it's
К.
what letter does Lampa start with? Right, it's
Л.
what letter does Malakoa start with? Yes, it's M. What letter does Ruba start with? Correct, it's
Р.
what letter does Ulitsa start with? Correct, it's
У.
excellent. Now, let's move on to the final set of letters. Now we'll learn the remaining 11 letters of the Russian alphabet.
Х. Ц. Ч. Ш. Щ. Твердый знак. И. Мягкий знак. Ю. Я.
Each letter has its own unique sound and writing. Let's begin. The first letter is
Х.
repeat after me.
Х.
Example word
Хлеб.
means bread in English. Let's say it together.
Хлеб.
The next letter is
Ц.
repeat after me.
Ц.
Example word
Цветок.
means flower. Repeat.
Цветок.
The letter
Ч.
repeat after me.
Ч.
Example word
Часы.
means clock. Let's say it together.
Часы.
The letter
Ш.
repeat.
Ш.
Example
Шар.
means ball. Let's say it together.
Шар.
The letter
Ща.
repeat.
Ща.
Example
Щетка.
means brush. Repeat.
Щетка.
The letter
Твердый знак.
This letter is called the hard sign and it doesn't have a sound. It makes the preceding consonant hard. Example
Объект.
means object. Repeat.
Объект.
The letter U.
И.
Repeat.
И.
Example
Сыр.
means cheese. Repeat.
Сыр.
The letter
Мягкий знак.
This letter is called the soft sign and it doesn't have a sound. It makes the preceding consonant soft. Example
Пальто.
means coat. Repeat.
Пальто.
The letter repeat.
Э.
Example
Эхо.
means echo. Repeat.
Эхо.
The letter
Ю.
repeat.
Ю.
Example
Юла.
means spinning top. Repeat.
Юла.
And finally, the letter
Я.
repeat.
Я.
Example
Яблоко.
means apple. Repeat.
Яблоко.
Great. Now let's practice pronouncing these letters and words together. Repeat after me.
Х. Хлеб. Ц. Цветок. Ч. Часы. Ш. Шар. Щ. Щетка. Твердый знак. Объект. Сыр. Мягкий знак. Пальто. Эхо. Юла. Яблоко.
Fantastic job. Today, we've learned all 33 letters of the Russian alphabet. Remember to keep practicing and pronouncing the letters and words out loud to remember them better. In our next series, we'll dive deeper into Russian grammar and vocabulary. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like the video, and leave comments. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. And don't forget to watch our shorts. In them, you can review the letters and words we learned today and practice pronunciation. See you soon.